The ideal way of fasting. Have you observed a fast or seen others do it? There are many types of fasts various people observe. We will discuss them in detail. What's a fast? A fast, put simply, is a determined vow to oneself to abstain from something in particular. It could be from food, speech, behavior, or even having sex. The main motive of fasting is to maintain the body. However, in religious context, various types of fasts are observed to please God or various deities. The ideal way of keeping a fast is to observe it with full concentration. Your body, mind, and soul should be engaged in observing it. If it's not done like that, it becomes like a half-baked cake. From fast to feast. For example, people observe a fast where they avoid eating food, but due to various types of customs to pamper that person with other food items, it actually becomes a feast. Lots of people keep fast just to enjoy food. Not bad, but no fun either. There is nothing bad in observing a fast like this, but there is no fun in doing it either. If you are keeping a fast where you have vowed to abstain from eating food, you should do it wholeheartedly. It has a benefit. Fasting is associated with religious context, but it has a very scientific connection to our body. When we avoid eating food, our digestive system and internal organs get some rest and also some cleaning. This is needed just like for any other system. Rest your speech. Similarly, there is a concept of keeping your mouth shut, the Maun Vrat as it is called. It gives rest to your speech and also helps in calming the mind. The concept of Anuvrata. Jainism has this concept of Anuvrat, which is quite popular among that community. They emphasize on eliminating one thing at a time through Anuvrat. This is an amazing process of cleansing the lifestyle. It brings control. Remember how parents encourage children to keep fasts on various occasions throughout the year? The real meaning of these fasts is to make you control your body and mind. If you can do it from childhood, you grow into that habit. Spiritual context is also valid. Without doubt, the spiritual context of these fasts is also very apt. We believe that in a healthy body, a healthy mind resides. Once our mind is healthy, we have a better chance of making spiritual progress. The ideal way of fasting. Fasting is a great tool that brings order and control in your life, and you can be better equipped to handle your own life. If you are observing any kind of fast, put your best efforts therein. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.